Deputy Commissioner ka West Giant Hills District Abhinav Kumar IAS hagakat trik nailar. Ula plie ka Natural and Craft Mart. Kajaka di jing ki SHG ka Balathaw da ka District Mission Management Unit DMMU Meghalaya State Rural Livelihoods Society MSRLS West Giant Hills hapalaw ka Ophis DCGY da ka jingtmu ban penbiang ya karansan na kabantay ki marab palapan mi da ki kinhun SHG bat kinong sengkam da kapsar. Hakani ka program lawan baneshim bantaru da Chief Operating Officer ka Meghalaya State Rural Livelihoods Society Umashan Lang Lingdo ka Project Director DRDA bat Nodal Officer ka DMMU ka Kong B Black ki State Mission Manager ki Officer na kitanatrekam bapher ki CLFS ki VOS ki SHG na lor kiway. Deputy Commissioner Abhinav Kumar Singh hakajingkran ulay kuble ya Project Director DM bat ya kakinhun barok kaway na kabanta kadika jingtmu. Ulaong baka dika same jam kadika mau jam bakong san hakabakantiw ya kajing imjo ki ba kamtam da kabapunlong ikimar tan rai joka district bat pen I hakaway ka jaka. Ulaong shushu baka Natural and Craft man kan long kung kajaka bala banyo ikimar ki babha hapdeng joka district. Ulakin tu iki SHG ban pentik na ikajing don jo kimar bat ban pene ikajing bonjat jo kimar. Ula banjuru ikajing don kam ban penyat yo ikimar bat ula pentik na bak ophis jong DC ringkat bat ke MSRLS kin ai kajing kershan ban penklan ki SHG kat ba kin pentik na ba kinong thiet kin yo ikimar babha na kathan. Kiwede kibal ajingkran kilong ka Project Director DRDA but Nodal Officer DMMU ka Kong B Black u Chief Operating Officer MSRLS Mashan Langlingdo u District Mission Manager MSRLS u R Shadap. Shwakani u bakkan sai karkongor DFS SISD ula pentip peladon palat sanajat teliki self-help group Arspa Propsau teliki village organization but Arpasan teliki village federation kibatre but not senyang hakaliang kakot kya kakamay kaji but kajing penbiang hijing bam pateban.
Today's day marks a significant milestone in how the livelihoods of the people as was rightly mentioned by our DMM with regard to the natural products, the authentic products of the districts is made available in a single place. As the CEO was mentioning, that this particular shop or the cart could be the one source of authentic products which would be available right in the heart of the district. Yes, what I would also like to request the SHG, as has been said earlier as well, that the products have to be there, the variety has to be there, and the promotion of the same lies with us. The entire team of the DC office, I believe, as well as of the MSLRS department, will help you out to make sure that your livelihood needs are met, and also of the customer, making sure that the authentic products are getting delivered in the time as it is available. As also how Madam has mentioned, I believe, with regard to the contact, how they can be contacted. And that's all from my side. Once again, congratulations to each and everyone present in here and also to the district as a whole. Thank you.
Jong barok haki SHG ki be dan hangne lane da kem dan ru hangne namar ki tiar kitar ki jong phi ki ba phyllaw tre lamba da ka badan gi kini ki tiar kitar ki jong phi takadaw ngi la ala abadle pen ifo iphe ne kan ni ka program ka balong mentagasi kan ni ka jinglong ya kan ni ka program ka dei ha ka bangi ekren man ka por ni juong kumbaong ni ba shan mentan mo la dangi don kam ki tiar kitar bon sin bangin yanungin phone yanungin contact kanang bangin dubyo ay kini kitiar kidon kinang shna kidon ni badan kam kidon tang baban connect je kita padang gindan takadaw ya kaneka program ya kaneka outlet ka bangile mentakasi kalong ban pendon kata kajaka ban dubyo ya kata kajaka hang do ki brio ki bakwa ban thiet ki mar ki mata kila ban leg kanang ban dubyo ya kaneka bandubi I kini kitiar kitar rebon sin kibon naki brio kimte biru baha pa West Giant Hills don gum kita ki jingtre Judan kum kini ki mar ki mata bala bande. Nrei namar ba kim tip nang no ban thiet bat kum baong quality assurance ru ka de bandon. Mut kata ka de ladangi thiet man ta ka sniu long da kum wei ladangi thiet ha ko ka sniu long da kum wei kata ki bri ru ki kam tu na ban man. No tengah ka nga kermen ba kan ni ka jing plie lat da kan ni ka jing plie ini dukan beret hang ne inwan ra ya kata ka jing ya snok jing ya pen itu iwe ni iwe man ka por ni ju ya kren ngalaju ong ru ya iba rulen iba dei DMM ong dei tang bangi di kitiar kitar nrei bangin bu ya ki phone numbers ru knang badon ki por ki bri ki kwa pau khat santali te hang ne habangi bu display kamdap kata ka ayu takadaw ka baha bangi bu lang bad phone number knang ba ya kitu ki bangi don kam bangi yo order khambon tikin contact back directly na kitu ki nong snack nang bangin dubyo bangin dub kalong kum ka support na kaliang jo ka DC office ro ya kini kinong snack badia ki SHG sumi tidak kan ni ka baging play man ta kasi nga kermen ba kan wanra dia ka jing bahajing yan tang kentiu shu ya ki livelihood activities ninang pembaha shu ninang ladangi dang don kam bangin improve dah kan ni kaba pli hang ni piru pila ban batayengi lada pidang don kam training show hakinu kiliang kenang bangin dubyo bangin yel hinya kren bat kini ki line department bat kiwe kenang bangin dubyo ban kenti na ai khoblei sa shi sien ye pi baro khoi bat ye pi be fi don kat hang ni bat ngakrmen badakan ni kaba pi ye trei shong shit hem kum ne kanwan ra e ka jing sup jing sang kanwan ra shu ban kenti ya ka kamai ka ji jong pi barok so you see I could play a pi barok but I wish you a great success. Thank you.